Hey guys, I'm Kimmy, known as Coach Kimmy, and my whole mantra, and I want to say channel, all my social media is basically hairstyling, and it's also mindset training. You don't realize mindset has everything to do with your life and being the CEO of yourself. If you want to be the owner of a company, start taking ownership of your own life. It's amazing how it works. So what I do is I take tips and tricks and techniques that you can use, but also the mindset's so important. That's why I love to marry both of them together. Do you know, I watched this study about 80% is your mindset. And do you know your skill set will come in 100% if you do that 80% working on the inner you, right? So that is what my channel is really about. It's not just hair cutting, because I coach a lot of people doing mindset work that are customers. They have nothing to do with hair. I want you to know, as a hairstylist or a salon owner or a cosmetologist, I'm telling you, my coaching has transformed me because I got coached first. All the lessons and all the tools that I've done over the last 7 years, neuroscience, I've done NLP, I've done Tony Robbins, I've done Bob Proctor, I've done all these great, incredible, I want to say gurus of understanding the mind, right? When you can get control of the mind, I'm telling you, financially, you'll be rich. Financially, I just kept growing more and more and more because of my mindset got stronger. The hardest person to lead is always yourself. That's really what my channel is. That's who I am, and that's what I want to give and offer to you. I have books that I've made, so I'm an author now, and I've also created a course, and it's called The Complete Emotional Breakthrough. And really, it's for you to unload all the blocks and baggage. And NLP taught me that if you don't get rid of those blocks, you can't change the patterns and habits of your life. I'm telling you, if you do that, you will become an incredible stylist because you get rid of all the blocks and learning becomes so much easier. You don't have all this stuff fogged up in your brain, or I like to say the U-Haul truck. We clear out the clutter in the U-Haul truck. And that's the first step, and then I build you up by teaching you and educating you through mind. And I teach also personalities. You got to learn your own personality, and then you could learn people around you so you don't take things so personal. We got to make life fun and easy and make it simple, right? It doesn't have to be so complicated. I used to think that way, and now I don't anymore. I'm Coach Kimmy, a strategic life coach, also hairstylist, trainer, author. If you need anything, I would love to answer your question. I'd love to coach you. I would love to teach you hair or mindset. This is Coach Kimmy. Have a wonderful day.
Book an appointment on success at coach-immy.com.